Welcome back to Rnscrub. Today we're going over how to use this Neilmed Suave Ear or Suave Ear Earwax Removal Aid by Neilmed. You can purchase this online on the website on Neilmed, your local pharmacy, CVS, Walgreens, whatever it may be, as well as Amazon. This is direction that comes with it, the direction packet, and this is the tool that you're going to need, as well as the drops that you're going to instill into your ear. These are your earbuds to keep the solution in place, and this is to catch the solution as well as the nasty earwax once you irrigate it. This is used for irrigation right here. You can fill it up with warm water, warm clean water, and then gently irrigate it as such. Now here we're going to go ahead and instill the drops into his ear. You're going to go ahead and pull up for adults, not down and forward for children, but down and back. So up for adults and down and back for children, under 3 preferably, but consult your pediatrician first, of course. But since he's an adult, we're going to go ahead and pull the ear upwards and then instill 10 drops. You want him to tilt the head to the side. Again, pull the ear up and instill the 10 drops. Keep the head tilted and free for motion for the next 10 minutes, even after plugging it in with the earplug right here. You can take a nap, you can rest yourself, whatever it may be. Just ensure that the solution is in there for the next 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are up, you're going to go ahead and grab yourself a paper towel or a towel, whatever it may be, so that you're not going to destroy your clothes or his clothes. Remember, there's going to be earwax that falls, so you don't want that all over the place. Alright, so gently grab your earplug out and then tilt the head to the side. And I flip this way so that it's flush against the skin, the little cup. And now I am gently, this is fast forward, but gently trying to take out any wax that may be in there. And you don't want to push, of course, you don't want to push it into the ear canal. There's those little rivets there that help with that. And if it's stubborn, you can go ahead and utilize this bulb syringe. Fill this with warm water and ensuring that there's not a lot of air or anything, so it doesn't push air into the ear canal. But instead the water, you're going to go ahead and gently instill it into the ear and then irrigate the ear canal like this. You can repeat it a couple times until you see that all of the earwax that's visible has emptied out. And that's it. Repeat on the other side. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.